In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable HDR on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the apps button on the left side, and then on the right side, go down and select video playback. And then underneath related settings, select HDR. And then assuming your hardware supports it, if you expand display capabilities, it should show it here, whether it's supported or not. You could then modify those respective settings on this page, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.